Hey there, my name is Terry and I'm the owner of House Hub Real Estate Solutions. We're one of the most trusted local home buyers in South Carolina, and we provide a simple way for South Carolina homeowners to sell their homes quickly. We've helped so many folks over the years and are proud of the reputation that we've earned. When you have a moment, take a look at our reviews and hear what other South Carolina home sellers have shared about us. We buy houses and mobile homes anywhere in South Carolina, and we're the local guys that you can trust. We love helping folks across all the upstate and Midland counties. So if you're looking to sell your South Carolina house quickly and without any hassles, give us a call and let's chat. When you work with us, you can expect a straightforward, simple process and a good old honest offer. We work around your timelines, and that could mean us buying your house in a matter of days if you need, or if you have some things you need to take care of first and need time to get everything in order, we'll wait until you're ready. If you're in a situation and want to avoid dealing with costly repairs, cleaning, finding a realtor, the constant open houses, paying commissions, we have a better solution. When you work with us, there's no fees, there's no costs, and there's no waiting. You won't need to make any repairs or clean up. Just take the things that you want and leave the rest behind for us to deal with. Now, it could be that you're at risk of a foreclosure, or maybe you inherited a family home. Maybe you're tired of being a landlord and found out it's not what you expected. People think it's easy owning rentals. It's not so easy. On a positive note, maybe you just got a new job in another town, or even outside of South Carolina, and you need to sell your home and relocate. Either way, we have you covered. Your situation wouldn't prevent us from buying your home. We've pretty much seen it all by now, and we stay focused on our primary goal, which is to make your life easier. Selling your house or mobile home to us is simple. We have years of experience helping homeowners just like yourself, and we'll work through whatever your situation is so that you can focus on what matters most to you. Feel free to share a little bit more information by filling out the form on our website. From there, we'll reach out to you and we'll discuss your options. We'll prove to you that you made the right decision. We're here to help. Talk to you soon.